Hello everyone. We have introduced miniatures of two types of weaving looms in our textile lab. One is the tapestry loom, which will be studied by grade 4, and the other is the 4-shaft loom, which will be studied by grades 5 and 6. Today, we are going to learn and understand how to do warp loading for the tapestry loom. A tapestry has two beams, one on the top and the other on the bottom. These two beams have grooves which help to create the warp. To initiate the warp loading, we have to tie one end of the cotton thread on the 6th groove of the top beam and then apply pressure to pass it through the grooves opposite on the lower beam, creating tension in the threads. Repeat the same process till the end, leaving 5 grooves vacant for creating selvage on both ends, and then secure the end by tying a knot on the lower beam. Let's now understand the meaning of selvage. Selvage is the yarn loaded on both ends of the beams of the loom where the threads are looped 2 to 3 times on the same grooves on which the warp is loaded, making the thread thicker and more rigid. In this video, we can see that the weaver, after completing the warp loading, has loaded the selvage on the starting and ending grooves of the loaded warp and looped it 2 or 3 times to make the thread thicker and more rigid. These edges are typically more tightly woven or finished in a specific way to prevent fraying or unraveling of the fabric. Selvages are important in tapestry weaving because they provide structure to the piece and make it easier to handle while weaving. Additionally, they contribute to the overall aesthetic of the finished tapestry.